This is January the 1st, and I just wanted to say a couple of things. As we approach, it's less than 200 now, as we approach 10,000 subscribers, which is just mind-blowing to me, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that supports me and supports the channel, and in every way that has been supported. It's just incredible, and I can't thank you enough. I do want to thank a few people, and then I want to say one other thing, and I'll get out of here. This will be a really short one.
That's what she said.
Like I said, it's the 1st of January, so it's 2026. It is now closer to 2030 than it is 2020. It's just crazy to me. 4 years to go until a new decade. It's just madness. So let's get my thanks out of the way. I want to thank Philip, Patrick, Gareth, and I want to thank Mark as well. You all know who you are, and I want to thank you for not giving me a hard time when I decided to leave my job, because I had to find a different way to look after my family, and this kind of grew out of that, this channel. It was started off as something that was there just to stop me from going insane, to keep my mind occupied, and it's kind of grown from that. And if it hadn't have been for those people that are just those incredible people, I probably wouldn't have done it. Things would have been a bit different. But of course, the person that needs the most thanks is my wife. And with a spot of luck, in a week or two, you'll probably see her in front of the camera as well. I'm going to try and get her to install FreeBSD. That should be a bit of a laugh, I think. Yeah, so the biggest thanks obviously goes to my wife. She has been such a driving force. There have been times when I've thought to myself, I don't want to carry on doing this. And with every word that she says, it's just an encouragement, and she makes me want to fall back in love with it, and she allows me to buy gear that I perhaps shouldn't, because I don't have the money. But all the money that is made from the ad revenue for these videos does get ploughed back into this channel, but it's not a huge amount, I will tell you that. It's not enough to live off, that's for sure. Maybe one day, maybe, who knows. But I just thank you to all of you. You all know who you are, and you all know what you've done, and you are incredible people. The subscribers and the viewers of this channel, you are amazing too. The people that comment on these videos overwhelmingly are words of support, and it means the world to me. It really does. I'm not going to give you a sob story, because I don't want to do that, but life isn't easy. It's not easy for anybody at the moment. There are challenges to overcome. You play the hand that you're dealt. Let's say that, and we'll leave it at that. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. Like I say, it means the world to me. You've been there through my successes and my failures. All of those failures, a lot of them. And I appreciate it all. So thank you for that. Please keep coming back. If there wasn't an audience, I probably wouldn't do this. Making videos for no one watching would, I think that would be quite heartbreaking. Putting in the effort and nobody watches it, I think would be quite soul destroying. Luckily, I don't have that problem. I know there are creators out there that do, and I feel for you. All I can say is keep plugging away. Like I say, I'm not what I would call a successful YouTube channel, maybe one day. But this is more about keeping me sane and not dribbling in a corner somewhere. But like I said, I wouldn't do it if it wasn't for you guys watching my videos. So thank you for that. Let's go into 2026. Let's carry on with what we're doing. Let's strive to learn stuff, which is all I'm trying to do. And let's carry on learning on free and open source platforms, or any platform that works for you, really. So cheers, everybody. Have a happy new year, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.